Some of y'all ain't lazy. You just mentally burnt out. Well, I know the feeling because I've been burnt out before. And I go through it every day. Okay? Stress is going to always be in our lives as long as we're alive. We just have to learn how to deal with it, how to work with it, and how to get over it. Don't be that person that lets that feeling keep you sheltered, keep you in the house, keep you bothered. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that person that goes to the gas station or goes to the grocery store and have to make life decisions. We're going to all be in that position, but don't let it hold you back. All right? Because 2026, finances ain't great for everybody. Some people they are, some people they're not. But this is not the place for you to be like everybody else. You have to take care of you. Take care of yours. May you be single, may you be married, may you be in a relationship, or just a family member, whatever it is, look out for yourself first. All right? Because mental burnout can put you in a whole nother situation. Like I was just talking about, you at a gas station, you at a grocery store, you making life decisions because of your finances, because you living that paycheck to paycheck. Hey, I don't know what to tell you. How I can try to help you through it because I'm Uncle G. I'm gonna tell you some good advice. But you gotta listen. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, take care of yourself. Learn how to reset. Learn how to get your mind back down to a level that you can deal with the stress and deal with the things that are going on around you. Don't be that person that gets so overwhelmed that you stop caring about yourself and caring about other people. Don't be that person that sits in your car when you pull up to the house and don't want to go in. Pull up to your job, don't want to go in. Ride past the club and wonder why you can't go in there with your girls or your boys. Don't be that person. All right? But what I'm trying to say to you is you need to just reset, because that's what life is all about. Life is all about resetting our bodies and our minds. Because you're no good to nobody else if you're burnt out. You're not going to be a good mother. You're not going to be a good father. You're not going to be a good mate. You're not going to be a good family member. So don't do yourself that way. You know what I'm saying? But don't live for the Kardashians. Don't live for the Joneses. Live for who you are and what you can do right now. You want to better your future, even if you're having trouble right now, even if you don't have a job, even if you got the job that ain't paying you what you want. You still here. You know, a lot of people say, well, why am I here? Why did I wake up this morning? You got a purpose. I ain't going to preach to you, but there's a reason why you're still here with us. But I'm just trying to say, let me help you reset your mind, reset your body. Because I want to see you again. I want you to check out another one of my videos. You know what I'm saying? But at real though, take care of yourself. Reset. Find something that you love doing, something that you want to get yourself into. All right? Something that's going to keep you level no matter what's going on around you. But don't be that person that checks out because you're just overwhelmed. But hey, I'm Uncle G. I do the research. I live the life. You just got to follow. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for checking out. Before I go, drop me a comment. Tell me, what do you do when you are mentally burnt out? I want to know, because you might help me. You might help somebody else who's going to watch this video. So do that for Uncle G, okay? Love you. Peace.